Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. Let's see what we got here. What I'm doing, I'm checking to see if your lawyer, Paul Gibson, is here tomorrow. Jordan. Ross. There he is, Clayton Carr. He's set to be here tomorrow afternoon.
See you later. Yeah.
Bye.
Uh, hey, sir.
Yes,
Is there any possible way that I can press charges? Because she knocked out my tooth and they had emergency move it this yesterday.
say that again. You wish to press charges on who?
That's a picture for knocking out my tooth. They had emergency move it at the dentist yesterday. And then they had
Well,
to
I
fix
don't know. We'll find out. You got a lawyer. Let's see where the deal is here. They just handed me this. Let me look at the actual case. They allege that you violated the conditions of your bond. You are on a conditional release in this charge on some serious charges. The file number is 26-65. So let's take a look. Also here with me is Jeanette Jackson from the Public Defender's Office. They set this for 1:15, but I don't have time to do this at 1:15 because I have a big fat zoning violation case. All right, you were arrested on or about January 13th for assaulting allegedly somebody named Tessa Pitcher in Park Township out on Marcellus Highway. Alleged that you made an assault with intent to commit great bodily harm less than murder by strangulation, which is a 10-year felony offense, interfering with a crime report, which is a misdemeanor, and you're charged as a fourth habitual offender, which makes this potentially punishable by up to life in prison. So, just a minute.
Strangulation. That's sorry, that I have.
I'm looking at your bond, trying to find your bond. Again, I didn't have any time to prep this. It was just handed to me. But I'm looking for, it's alleged that you violated your bond by having contact with Tessa Pitcher. Apparently last night, or January 20th at 2:30 in the morning. Travis contacted and assaulted Tessa in a Super 8 motel room. That doesn't sound good.
No, just on me, sir.
Don't say anything else right now. I'm trying to see what this is set for.
In court, a judge reviewed new allegations that a defendant violated bond by contacting the same victim again. Arrested at a motel in the early morning hours, the judge immediately canceled bond and ordered him held until the next hearing.
It's set for a pre-exam next week, January 27th. All right. So they arrested you last night at the Super 8?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, you have attorney Paul Gibson. I'm gonna set bond violation hearing in front of Judge Pattison with your prelim or pre-exam set for next Tuesday, January 27th, 26 at 8:30. Your bond is canceled. You don't get to go allegedly assault the person you allegedly strangled while you're on our bond. So I don't know whether you were intoxicated last night or what the deal is. Notify Mr. Gibson, who's your attorney, and
Yeah. Very good.
he'll come see you at the jail. Were you still living out on Marcellus Highway?
Yes, sir.
Who lives there?
My cousin's girlfriend.
Your son's girlfriend?
My cousin's girlfriend.
Cousin's girlfriend. All right.
his
Well, I don't
mother.
know enough about this other than I'm just gonna hold on to you till your hearing next week. Your bond was set in the amount of 2,000 cash or surety, which is pretty low for this kind of offense. And then it's alleged that you violated the conditions of your bond. So you've got a lawyer, you've got a court date set for next Tuesday. I'm gonna set everything at that same time. All right, Mr. Gunter, we'll let your attorney know. Thank you, Jim.